Welcome to KidMattersTV. Happy Pie Day. Not the food pie, the math pie. 3.415. The true value of pie goes on forever.
Right.
To celebrate, we are making pumpkin pie. So here's our pie. It's pumpkin pie with the pie symbol. We're going to show you how we made it in 3, 2, 1, go. Butter, roller, sugar, salt, flour, and cold water.
Okay, so you ready?
Oh, and forgot animal fat. I don't know where that came from. First, I add the sugar and salt. Next, the flour. Then the shortening and butter. Slowly add the water so you can watch the texture to make sure it's right. Pour onto parchment paper.
Oh, you want to make a ball first, so you're going to squish it all together.
Whoa!
Squish.
I want to make something like this. This is squishy, like net sand. Wait, I'm gonna make a little ball and start off with that. Add a top layer of paper to keep the roller from sticking. And this is the part where the video cuts, so let me fill you in on that. Okay, here it goes. We finished rolling the dough, and Mom had to do this fancy flip to get the dough in the pan. It wasn't fancy. It was a normal flip, Mom. We cut off the extra, and now back to me for the rest. And this is how you make pie crust. So when this is cooling down, we're gonna make the filling, which is my favorite part of it. We're back, the pie crust has cooked, and we're onto the filling, my favorite part. So first, we're gonna do the brown sugar.
Evaporated milk.
And then the puree. It's mashed up pumpkin, so you can just call it pumpkin. Then the eggs, and then the spices, salt, flour, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and ginger. Okay. So we're gonna start with the brown sugar. Bye-bye. After the brown sugar, I add the evaporated milk, puree, and eggs. Oops, dropped one. Last is the spices. Flour and salt. Mix, mix. So now all we do is we have to pour this delicious filling into the crust, and then we are going to cook it for 45 minutes. So after that, we'll show you how it's done. So we will see you in 45 minutes to show you the pie. Pie represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter, like this. Pi is found in trigonometry and geometry. Why do we all celebrate pie unlike the other cool mathematical days? Because the fruit pie is awesome and this was fun. I mean, it's so good!
It does smell amazing. Too bad there is no smell-o-vision.
Tell us in the comments what's your favorite pie for Pie Day, or just the pie that you make the most. You can show us your pie that you made if you can.
Yeah, you can show us on Instagram.
You can show us on Instagram. So please subscribe. And I know a lot of you will subscribe because pie is yummy. And also a lot of you will like. Okay, so anyways, see you in the next video. Gaming, crafting, cooking. Bye.